The Quasha River in Trelawny, Jamaica has turned red without any clear explanation. People are wondering if this is a sign for some Jamaicans to wake up and give up their evil doings. Sign or not, Jamaicans are waiting for an explanation from the government.